And even though the bear is much bigger, the dog gives him a really tough fight. After the winter hibernation, bears are very hungry. While in search of food, they often end up approaching people's homes, and hungry bears are very dangerous. Just look at this dog chasing away a bear who got way too close for comfort. Sometimes cats treat people like they're kittens, with some even attempting to rescue a person, like this cat who probably wonders why these humans are voluntarily getting into the water while desperately trying to drag her owner out of the bath. When a black bear was lurking around in the backyard of a family home, this dog bravely fought and chased away the dangerous animal.